Today, we will listen to the topic oral exams.
Hey, Cindy, have you finished the exam?
Yes, I have. Phew.
Was it hard?
Well, yes, it was hard, pretty hard.
Did you pass?
I don't know. Mrs. Lester didn't tell me.
What questions did she ask?
First, she asked me what my name was.
Well, that was easy, wasn't it?
Yes, except I couldn't remember. Then she asked me where I came from and how long it took to get here from my country.
And what else did she ask?
She asked how long I'd been studying English here in Canada, and she asked how I would use English in the future.
Yes, go on.
Then she asked me to explain the difference between my country and Canada.
Anything else?
I'm trying to remember. Oh, yes, she asked if I spoke any other language.
Is that all?
Oh, there were a lot of other questions. She asked me what my hobbies were, where I visited in Canada. Then I was asked to read a passage.
What did she say at the end?
Let's see. Oh, yes, she asked me to tell you to go in right away.